Tackle stubborn soap scum and mineral deposits with a targeted, repeatable routine that restores surfaces without damaging them. Start by identifying the surface material and the type of residue so you can choose an appropriate cleaner and tool. For general soap scum on glazed ceramic or porcelain, use a pH-neutral or mildly acidic bathroom cleaner and a non-abrasive scouring pad, working in small sections and applying moderate pressure along the grain of any texture. For mineral deposits from hard water, apply distilled white vinegar or a 20% vinegar solution using a spray bottle. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the calcium and magnesium salts. Then agitate with a nylon brush or non-abrasive pad. Repeat spot treatment on stubborn spots rather than scrubbing everything at high force. For glass and chrome finishes, avoid steel wool and use microfiber cloths to prevent micro scratches and water spots, finishing with a squeegee or a dry microfiber wipe to eliminate streaks. For natural stone like marble or travertine, do not use vinegar or acidic cleaners at all. Instead, use a stone-safe alkaline cleaner or a poultice of baking soda and water applied, covered, and left to draw out mineral staining for up to 24 hours if needed. Rinse thoroughly after any chemical or mechanical treatment to remove residues that can attract dirt, then dry surfaces completely with a lint-free towel to prevent reformation of mineral spots and to allow any protective sealers to bond. Common mistakes include using harsh abrasives that create micro scratches which trap dirt and make future cleaning harder. So always test a small, inconspicuous area and opt for nylon or microfiber tools. Another frequent issue is applying strong acids like full-strength vinegar or citric cleaners to calcium carbonate-based stones, which causes etching. The fix is immediate neutralization with water, then switching to a stone-safe product and consulting the manufacturer or a restoration professional for severe damage. A third problem is leaving cleaners on too long or not rinsing well, which can leave film that dulls finishes. The correction is to follow dwell time guidance precisely. Rinse with plenty of clean water and dry each surface after rinsing. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work related to bathroom restoration and cleaning projects. We also host a discussion community where we share techniques, product experiences, and before and after tips so our members can learn from real-world results.